Welcome people to a new update of Hurricane Irma. My name is Cesar Games and I'm replacing Nathan Foy on this update as he keeps feeling sick. But well, moving to the real topic of it is about this monstrous hurricane that is quickly intensifying again, and with this rate of intensification I don't discard that could attain category 5 status. But for now, Hurricane Irma maintains winds of 138 miles per hour with wind gusts of 167 miles per hour. Its minimal central pressure is 943 millibars and it's moving west around 13 miles per hour. It's currently located at 16.7 degrees north, 55.6 degrees west at 410 miles east of Leeward Islands. Hurricane force winds are extending 46 miles from the center, and tropical storm force winds are extending 138 miles from the center. The currently warnings of this hurricane are from Antigua and Barbuda, Saint Martin, Saint Barthélemy, Saba, Saint Eustatius, Saint Martin, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Anguilla, British Virgin Islands, Montserrat, Puerto Rico, including the islands Vieques and Culebra, and United States Virgin Islands. These places are over hurricane warning conditions that is expected within 36 hours or less. Hurricane watch and tropical storm warnings are in effect for Guadeloupe, and tropical storm watch are in effect for Dominica. Right now you can see the model tracks of this hurricane, and most of them are agreed that Irma will maintain a track moving west-northwest, moving pretty close to Puerto Rico, of course making landfall in the Leeward Islands. But after passing the Española, there's some uncertainty of the future of this storm, because some models place the Irma that it will pass over the Bahamas at east of Florida, but other models are predicting that it will make landfall over the Española and Cuba as well. Also, there are some models that predict that it will make landfall in Florida, but of course it's pretty soon yet to say what will gonna happen in that period. So for now, just we have to concentrate in the next 3 days that Irma will stay pretty close to Puerto Rico and Hispaniola as a category 4 hurricane, as the forecast says. Now moving to the hurricane model intensity guidance, you can see that practically all the models are agreed that Irma will keep the category 4 status. So two models keeping Irma as a borderline category 4 hurricane, practically almost hitting category 5 status. We have another model predicting a record category 5 hurricane that, for me, in my opinion, I don't see it possible. And one model making landfall in Puerto Rico, Hispaniola and Cuba, of course weakening as it passes over those islands. So for now, practically all the models are agreed that Irma will maintain category 4 status as it advances to over north of Puerto Rico, Hispaniola and Cuba. And the last thing of this update is about the sea surface temperatures. You can see right now that Irma is practically located in pretty warm waters, around 30 to 31 degrees Celsius. These temperatures, of course, are pretty good for Irma to keep intensifying, and this represent a lot of danger for those small islands that Irma will affect in the next 24 to 36 hours possibly. So just a reminder, people that lives there just have to take all the precautions as soon as possible if you haven't, because you have not much time left to prepare. Irma is approaching really fast, and possibly tomorrow night we will see a direct landfall of Irma over the Leeward Islands. That's all for me right now, and before ending this video, please just subscribe to Force 13 if you haven't, and if you want to contribute to us, please send a message on Skype as at full 13 FOOL13 and an extension 9094 on Discord, so you can have a tropical weather chat with us, and of course the possibility to contribute with the team as well. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe, take care, and see you in the next update.